Everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama standing outside another beautiful customer creation, and we've done some pretty interesting things to the front of this house. You can tell right away that this customer has some class with what they've done with the colors. We have made the blue pop out by adding these white dormers. So we've got a Brunswick Blue on the siding. That's a 4.5-inch Dutchlap siding, and then we've done two dormers. Let me give you a better look here. One over bedroom number 2, which is actually going to be an office for this customer, and then one down here over the primary bedroom. So when you take a step back, we've got pretty equal proportion when it comes to dormers on this home. We've got one on each end and then one to highlight the door in the front. In the front door, they've done a Craftsman door, and this customer has actually stretched this to a 32 wide. So this is normally a 28 by 60, and we call this home the Wickliffe. Got some really cool things to show you on the inside, but I just wanted to touch that I can tell right from walking into this home that we've got a drywall package. We've got pier savers under the door, and what that means, if you haven't been along with me for very long, that instead of adding concrete piers here, if you have the pier savers, it stabilizes the door enough to allow you to omit those piers. So you can save a little bit of money in concrete. Of course, if it's your choice, you also could add piers there if you wanted to, but not necessary when you add those pier savers under the doors. We've got an electric receptacle in the front, also a frost-free faucet. That's always a standard feature. You can add one to the back if you like, and you can also add electric to the end walls if you like. Now, in the dormers that this customer have chosen, we've got some shake siding, and in the drywall package, they chose a lineal trim also. But wait till you see on the inside. Ooh la la. Stepping into a wide open living area, we've done a couple things here. Typically, in the standard floor plan, there's an entry closet right here, but this customer wanted to add some wood beams into the ceiling. Look how pretty those are, going all the way down. And the reason we had to omit that entry closet is we don't cut those beams. So they vary by print, and if we're gonna put them in there, we're gonna put them in the entire ceiling. So they would have ran into the entry closet right there. So that's why you're gonna see that missing. Now down here, they have opted to add the entertainment center and even opted for the beautiful shiplap to go behind it. You can see down there, we've got a crescent edging on the countertop as well. Part of the drywall package is this nice trim here and some colonial cove in the living areas. And of course the drywall. Notice along the side of the wall, we've got perimeter heat as well. And we've even done some extra things going into this primary bedroom. You'll have to excuse me, I'm out of breath. It's smoking hot in here. All right, here's the primary bedroom. And to look at it, nothing looks peculiar here, but you see a couple of, well, it looks like we have at least one barn door. I'm assuming this is gonna be a barn door under there as well. That's gonna go, oh, two of them over. This is the primary closet. We'll see that in just a second. Now, we've also done some things to the alternate bedrooms, bedroom 2 and bedroom 3. Let's go take a look. Jumping back into this primary bedroom because there's something in here I want to show you guys construction-wise. And you probably wonder, how do we get the two pieces together and have a tight seal? And this is exactly how we do it. If you see down there, we're going to add the sealant all the way around and attach it to one of the sides. You can see it here in the living room as well. And when these two pieces of the home are placed together, that's going to create a tight seal between the two pieces. I thought that was very important to show you guys while we were in the home. And in here to bedroom number 3, the thing that is different in here that we would see in a standard model is going to be a nice upgraded carpet. And this is so soft on your feet and on your hands right here. So if you can swing it, I would definitely upgrade the carpet. Here you go in bedroom 2, and I'm not going to go all the way in because I don't want to get my shoes in here. But you don't see this every day. This is going to be their office, and also where they added the extra dormer on the outside. So they've added an additional window and then also put a desk in here, which is available as well. Made out of hardwood because they opted for the hardwood cabinets. And then the Formica countertop is going to match the rest of the home. The back exterior, we've got a patio door down there and then 2 fixed picture windows that are part of the Odyssey kitchen. Judge me, but we're going to jump right into the primary bathroom. before this little girly loses an eyelash before it melts off my face. So here we go. This is the Odyssey bathroom, and we have a nice tile pattern this year. The Wickliffe used to be a show home for us. It's actually shipping out on Monday. By the way, I have an open house coming September the 19th with some latest and greatest new homes on the lot. If you get a chance to come, please give me a call. I'll put you in a nice hotel. But in the Odyssey bathroom, last year this used to be a darker tile. So bringing in some more modern colors. This bathroom's gonna come with the square sinks. These are LED light up mirrors, and it's optional for you to put 2 transom windows up there. It's also gonna come with a water closet, so some nice privacy in here when you're on the commode. And then these built-in cubbies as well. Always a fan favorite. Everybody welcome Reagan to the Champion family. She's my new administrative assistant, and she's doing a fabulous job. So please come and take a visit and drop a line in the comments below. Say hi, Reagan. Welcome to the team. Make sure you keep the mobile home mama straight and organized because she likes to go a little wild sometimes. Here, let's check out the primary closet. We've added a closet organizer. That's also going to be in hardwood as well. Let's just take a breather out here in the air before I walk in here. Check out the lot. Look at this, boys. We've got a full lot out here ready for these homes to ship. Here at Champion Homes, we're going to build to order. So you're going to choose the floor plan. We're going to build it the way you want to design it, and then we'll ship it off to you. And finally, last but not least, we're going to crawl in this Wickliffe to see the last beautiful features of this build. In the wintertime, remember, I'll turn the camera on and I want you guys to feel sorry for me because of what I'm experiencing out here. And it's just as bad in the summertime. So let's jump in. Whew. We got about, how long do you think, Reagan, before I melt? 30 seconds?
Probably.
Okay.
Hot in there.
All right. This is the Odyssey kitchen. We've done this in gas, and a lot of people ask me about that because on our stock home, our show home, it was an electric cooktop. Yes, it's available in gas. I also learned last week that no matter what you do on the cooktop, that the oven is going to be electric. So, and I have a customer who is very happy about that. Marcia, hi Marcia. And she's building one of these homes as well, her and her husband, Robert. And we just love you customers. You guys are awesome to work with, and from start to finish, it's a great experience. In the Odyssey kitchen, you're going to get the 083 island. You're also going to get a farm sink, and they opted for a French door refrigerator, but you would get a side-by-side with ice and water, the built-in wall oven, the only floor plan that you're going to find that wall oven in, and then the microwave above it. We've also got a large walk-in pantry here, the corner pantry, one of our favorites, and then this coffee bar. Now it is an option to add the full wall of tile, and I think you just gotta have it. All right, fixed picture windows, yes. Drawers over doors, yes. Cabinets to the ceiling, yes please. And then over here they added a patio door and the optional entertainment center with the built-in panoramic fireplace. Okay, that's some of the beautiful parts of the Odyssey kitchen. Let's see what else we've got. Coming back here to bath number 2. Not a lot of stuff happens in the second bath usually, but we do have the framed mirrors, which are part of the drywall package, and then the 2-arm vanity lights, which I think class it up for just a little bit of money. Hey, if there's something that you can spend just a little bit of money on and change the whole look of your house and take it up a notch, I'd do it. You will be glad you did. Here we've got the utility room. There is the option to add some utility room cabinets right here. But like I said, we build to order, so it's whatever you guys would like in your home. So if you don't mind, I'm gonna take one more view and then I'm jumping out of here. And I appreciate you. As always, thanks for watching. I'm the Mobile Home Mama. You can also call me Christina, and I'll see you guys next time.